video trying to spread an awareness about our rich, how Naga traditional ornaments and gears and how important it is for us to preserve it. I really appreciate Government Hero School so much for asking me to plant these items. I have learned a lot through this project, and most importantly, their intent to impart this knowledge to the students is appreciable. I have tried my level best to put everything in order and correctly, but some of the designs, patterns, or names may have a little variation from village to village, or clans, or Jungli Motion. So